Hi and welcome back. Today I am finally going to be filming a house tour, which I'm so excited. I know I've been promising forever, I'm gonna show you guys the house, but it's always dirty. It's never how I want it to look. So finally, it's nice and clean. It's the perfect time. The kids are at school. I'm gonna show you the house and I'm so excited. So right now I'm at the front door. I'm gonna show you what it's like when you walk in. So this is what the house looks like when you first walk in. The first room that you see when you walk in to the right is the office, which you guys should recognize. This is where I film most of my videos, well actually all the videos. And you can see here, I got some pictures. Over here is my workstation. This is where I sit usually when I do my makeup every day. The seat here. And you can see I have all my makeup brushes over here. I have all my palettes, all my lipsticks, all my tools, and all my makeup is stored in this side right here. So this is where I do my makeup. And here, just some decor. We got a lot of storage. You guys might recognize these from the other house. This used to be in our room. So it's really good storage, our desk. Some more decor. Then over here we have the piano. My husband occasionally plays the piano. So this is his piano here. So yeah, this is the office. I really like the way it turned out. And then over here we have the living room. So this is where we spend most of the time, just chilling, watching movies. This is the couch. I really wanted to get a large couch because I knew that we were gonna be in here a lot, just lounging, watching movies. That's what me and Adrian love to do. So I wanted a couch that was gonna be big enough, and I've always wanted an L-shaped couch just because I think they look nice and they fill up the room really good. Over here, I just love the way this turned out. I've always wanted to have a little reading nook. So we have our little bookcase and then the little side chair. I was having some difficulty finding something to put there just because you can see the vent right up there. It was kind of messing it up. So I was like, what am I gonna do right there? I can't put artwork over that. So I ended up doing this. That's just a ledge from IKEA, and then those pictures are from Home Goods. That I got at Home Goods too. I really like the way that looks. Really big piece of art. And then we have that little ledge on the top. So then you walk some more and I have this little, I guess you call these like little buffets. I think I got that at Home Goods as well. So it's just really cute. I like having this here because for parties, we kind of make this a drink station, and it's good for storage as well. Here's our dining room. I think it came out real cute. So I got a lot of things that we had in our old house. This used to be in our bathroom, and now I kind of just decorated it with things that you would use in the dining room. We got some drinks. And now right over here is my favorite room in the whole house, which is the kitchen. I'm in here all the time, so I spent a lot of time getting little pieces that I really love for the kitchen, and it came out perfect. I am so happy with how everything turned out. Over here I have my little coffee nook, which I always wanted to have because Adrian and we love coffee, so I was really adamant about having some sort of coffee station in the house, and I ended up doing it right here, which I love. I think it looks so perfect. It's exactly how I wanted it to be. It looks like a little cafe. We have our coffee up here, sugar, and then I also love to drink tea, so I have a bunch of different teas in there. I got these at Ross. Ross has a bunch of cute mugs, like his and her mug. So this one says Stud Muffin, this one says Hot Stuff. Then we got our frother to grind the beans, and then our Ninja, which you guys have seen if you follow me on Instagram. You guys know all about the Ninja. That's our favorite coffee maker. It's so good. So this is a little coffee nook. And then our sink. I have my dish soap and I have the spray to wipe down the counters. I always like to have a candle in the kitchen just because I'm Mexican, so we use a lot of vegetable oil, and we fry tostadas, we make enchiladas, chile rellenos, frijoles, all that stuff. So I don't like the way it makes the house smell just like cooking oil. So I always like to have a candle just so I can light it up, and then it makes the house smell good again. And then just to have a candle, and I love candles when I'm washing the dishes. It just makes it a little bit more relaxing. Then I have my little hanging baskets. I have these here for my frijoles, arroz, and pasta. I have my little station there. So the way I decorated the kitchen, I just made everything kind of really easy access, because when I'm cooking, I like to do it quickly. Most of the time I'm hungry, I just want to eat, so everything is just at arm's length. So like my cooking oil that I know I use all the time, like I said, and just the knives, everything is just within reach, because to me it's just more functional, it makes it easier, and I like the way it looks. So this is my favorite room in the house, and I think it came out great. So now we come over here. This is the hallway. Again, I have some photos here as you walk down. And then the first room is Abby's room. So right here you can see Abigail's room. I painted this for her. Makes it a little bit more personal. So here she has her books, her little mirror, place to hang up her backpack, her shoes. She has a little table here. And then over here is her dresser and her TV. We got her bed right over here, which I love her bed. Also, I painted her room. You can see over here she has little polka dots. And then on this side, she has little clouds. So the inspo for her room was obviously unicorns. She loves unicorns, but I didn't want it to be so heavily unicorn like print, if that makes any sense. So I was on Amazon. I found this bedspread and it is perfect. It looks, her personality is like wrapped up in that comforter. It's bright, it's bubbly, it's cute. So I got it. That was like one of the first things I got for her room, and then based off of her comforter, I kind of did the rest of the room. So it's kind of like a cloud, dreamy, magical type of room. She has little cloud shelves over there. That's a little nightlight from IKEA. Then over here is like her desk station for her to do homework. She loves to craft. She loves to create things, so she has her little workstation right here. And then right over here, she has her little place to put all her bows. Every morning, we sit down right here on the floor and I do her hair. So again, arm's length. I have all the little bows if I want to put a bow in her hair that day. And just some decor. So, oh, she saw me putting pictures around the house, so she put some pictures in her room. And now we can go into Tristan's room. So when you walk into Tristan's room, you'll see this, which you can't really see because he has his little place right here to hang up stuff behind his door. So he has to hang up his jackets and his backpack when he comes home from school. Then right over here, he has his little bookshelf with all his toys, and that's his little TV up there. And then he has a little trampoline, and he has like his little toys as well. I wanted to have the toys out so he can play with them. He has his toys right here, the little shells. And then I painted this for him, and I put his name right there because I like putting their name just to make it a little bit more personal. You know whose room it is, and it just cute. It makes it cute. I like that. Here's his bed, space theme, and there are his books. So for Tristan's room, ever since he was a baby, I already knew that I was going to decorate his room space theme, because Adrian would always watch like space documentaries, all ancient aliens, all this stuff. And so I was like, well, that's what Tristan's room is going to be. It's going to be space, and I just thought it was really cute, and I love the way his room turned out. Oh, and then I added this little alien, which I thought was a cute little touch. So you see the little alien popping out over there, and then there's this space up here. And then another cute little personal touch I did on this astronaut is TER. Those are Tristan's initials. His name is Jessin Reyes. And then you walk out of Tristan's room, and this is the guest bathroom. And we did a lot of things to the house, so these were kind of like that orangey type of wood. I don't know what it's called, but it has like an orange tint to it. So we painted them. I did a dark gray, and then I did this type of hardware. I replaced the mirror. Got these shells, which I love the way they came out. I got these from Hobby Lobby, but I did stain this a darker color because they were really light before. I like the dark walnut shade. Yeah, in this room I just liked the black and white accents with a lot of greenery. And then you walk over here, and this is our bedroom. This is mine and Adrian's bedroom. And this is the room that is not complete. So I just kind of started decorating it, but I haven't finished. So you can see up there, like, I haven't finished. I just kind of started it. So our room is the room that I kind of neglected. I was just kind of like, well, our room is last. I was really excited to decorate the rest of the house, especially the kids' rooms. So right now it's kind of bare. This is not how I want our room to look. I have a lot of plans for our room, but I'm just taking my time with it. I'm not really rushing, but this is what we have so far, and I'll kind of tell you what my ideas are so you guys can kind of get an idea of what I'm thinking. This is kind of, we have high ceilings here, so kind of want to fill up this wall a little bit more, so I'm going to put a mantle right there, lift that up, and then I got sconces. So we're not going to have these little lamps anymore. We're going to have sconces that actually hang on the wall. I want to get rid of that piano. Adrian is like, no, but I don't really like the piano, but that's the only place it can go, because I feel like it just makes this space kind of cramped. But anyway, so that's that. I'm gonna add a chair, 2 chairs, and maybe like a little table here. And then here I kind of wanted like a long mirror, and then over here a dresser, and maybe like, or maybe built-in, like a built-in entertainment center, because you can see here it goes in. So if we can get something built in here, that would be nice too. And then right over here is our bathroom, which is real quaint. I like the way it turned out. It's just very simple. I've always liked this type of artwork. And then over here is the sink. So that is it, you guys. This is the house. I am so happy. You have no idea how good it feels to have your own house. Finally, after so long, we can finally have our own home. So I want to do a story time video as well. I kind of want to tell you guys what happened, the whole process of getting the house, and the little story behind everything, because we ended up surprising the kids. They had no idea that we got a house. I feel like, sorry if my lash is coming off, I'm sorry. They had no idea that we got the house, and we just brought them over and we surprised them. So I wanted to show you the video of that. And so I'm gonna post that after this. I'm gonna do a story time and kind of explain to you the process and what happened, and just everything. So I hope that you guys are interested in that. And then I'm also gonna do a second part showing you guys the outside. I don't want this video to be super long. I'll show you guys the outside, because it's really cool. And then yeah, so I hope that you guys found this helpful. I will put down a link to my Amazon storefront. So everything that I bought for the house, I have a link on Amazon with everything there. So if you were interested in anything, you can go there, look around, and see what I purchased from Amazon. So that's gonna be there too if you want to check that out. Also, leave me comments if you want to know anything about the house. I will answer it. And yeah, thank you guys so much. I'm out of breath. Whew, there's a lot of talking. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.